Welcome back to ICT Trading Concept. How are you all? I'm very fine. So it's been a while I didn't upload a video. I have uploaded the Monday's narrative and Tuesday's narrative so far I remember. So I'm going to upload about the Wednesday's narrative. How we will expect price will react in Wednesday. Okay? So everything actually starts from the weekly analysis. If your weekly analysis is telling you market will go low this week, then everyday's narrative will work toward your analysis. So this is kind of depending on above another. But to be honest, if you don't understand the narrative, then trading is very hard. Okay, so if you didn't watch the previous 2 days narrative, please go back and watch them. I will put the link to my description so that it will be easier for you to get the videos. After that, come back to Wednesday's narrative, then you will understand how it works in Wednesday. So here is the weekly chart. Why I am in weekly chart? Because just in Wednesday before 9:30 you have to come back again to your weekly chart. This is the first thing you have to do when you will open your chart. Then you have to mark the 50% of the previous week. So I'm going to mark them. Sorry. So this is the 50% of the previous week, and I'll just make it bold so that it will be easier to understand that this is the 50%. Okay, and you have to mark the opening of this week. Okay, this is this week, so I'm going to mark the opening, and I will change the color. Actually, I think blue is okay. So this is the opening of this week, and this is the 50% of the previous week. Now I'll go to 15-minute chart. This 15-minute chart, and if you see this is from Tuesday. So this all the manipulation. Price went above the market, take the buy side liquidity, then it retraces a little bit lower. Okay, so this is the Tuesday's narrative. If you watch the videos, you will understand how we expect price will work in Tuesday. So now when it is in Wednesday, why we are expecting the expansion. You see, this is the opening of this week, okay, and this is the previous week 50%. Price is below the both level after 9:30. If you see that after 9:30 price is below the both level and your weekly analysis is telling you market is going lower, this is one kind of confirmation that okay, market is going lower. Okay, this is not the thing you can take your entry depending on that this theory. Okay, not that this theory, depending on this theory you can't take your entry. This is an extra confirmation. Okay, so your weekly analysis is telling you market will go lower. You know today is Wednesday, so we will expect the expansion. I'm coming later what is expansion means. Okay, so you are expecting market will go lower, and this two level market is below this level. Okay, so that is another confirmation. Okay, maybe I am right for this time. My market is actually going lower. Now if your expectation is higher, market will go high, and you see market after 9:30 market price is above the both level, you will expect okay, as my expectation is market will go higher and price is above both of this level, then maybe this time I'm right, market is going higher. So this is one kind of confirmation. You just can't take your entry there because of market is just below of both this level. If market is over here, what will you do? Between the both level you need more. You have already lose confirmation. Okay, so you have to read the price more, then you have to take your decision to take your entry. But this is very nice confirmation. You will see most of the week it actually worked perfectly. So it is what it is. I hope it will help you. Okay, so now I'm going to 1 minute chart because I want to show you the setup. Okay, so in 1 minute chart you can see the 9:30 is over here. I think this candle. Okay, this candle is 9:30, so price came lower, right? It came lower. When it is going lower, what will you do? You will do nothing because it is just going lower. You will wait to take some kind of liquidity first. The buy side liquidity, as your expectation is market will go low, and when it came after 9:30 it came below the both level. You see, this is the previous week 50%, this is this week opening, so price actually came below the both level. Your weekly analysis was telling you market will go lower, and you see the run, then it started to went higher. Okay, this is the first time when it has taken some kind of buy side liquidity. After taking this buy side liquidity, Did you get any market structure shift over here? No, I didn't. Then market went above again one more time. It has taken the buy side liquidity again. Then it came here, and if you mark this one as your market structure shift, it is not valid for me because there are some rules I follow to shift in market structure. If you have any confusion about the market structure shift, please go to my description. I will put a link over there, and it will be like market structure shift, and the video title is maybe how to avoid the losing trade. Okay, so if you watch that video, you can easily avoid thousands of the losing trade. Trust me, brother, I promise you. It is very important to mark the correct swing low or swing high for shifting market structure. So this is not valid market structure shift for me. Then market actually came lower, it went higher one more time, and it has taken all the buy side liquidity. Just let me mark the liquidity taken. So I will just mark this one as my markets, I mean the liquidity taken. Okay, so it has taken the liquidity. My weekly analysis is telling me market will go lower. I can see market is below the both level, I mean this week opening and the previous week 50%. It is below the both level. I got my buy side liquidity has taken. Now what I need a market structure shift. So this is the market structure shift. This is valid market structure shift for me. And after getting the market structure shift, I will go for the liquidity, I mean the fair value gap. Sorry. So this is my fair value gap. Okay, I will take my short over here. I will take my short over here. I'll put my stop loss over there, and the target profit, it's up to you. It is depending on your uh, money management or trade management. How do you do that? It's different thing. Okay, so that is the thing. Now when price came little bit lower, what it has done, when it came lower, it went higher again. Okay, when it went higher, what do you think? It is going higher because market is too low? No, you will not expect that. That is actually the expansion, right? So you can see market actually fall here. Then it went little bit higher. That means the retracement. It started to again fall. Then it started. It take another retracement, fall, retracement, fall, retracement, fall. This is called expansion. But if it is another day, what should our expectation? Market has falling, retracement falling, so it can actually go back now because it falls so far. So it can go actually go back. But in Wednesday, our expectation is the expansion, and this is called expansion. Market will fall, it will continuously, it will be falling. Okay, so this is the expectation. Now if you just try to see the price action over here, it actually fall and it takes some retracement over there. If you just mark my buy side liquidity over again, I mean if I just take mark it as my buy side liquidity has taken over here again, and then I got my market structure shift over here. This is my market structure shift. Now look at this leg. Where is your fair value gap? Look very carefully. Okay, where is your fair value gap? I can see this is my fair value gap. There is no other fair value gap above this fair value gap. Okay, so this is my fair value gap. You can take your short again over here to this fair value gap. Market fall. It retraced. When it was retracing, what it has done? It has taken again the buy side liquidity. See, it has taken the buy side liquidity over there, gave you a very nice market structure shift over there. I mean, sorry, not this one. Actually, I wanted to mark this one as my market structure shift. I mean, the buy side liquidity taken over there. Then it has given you very nice market structure shift over here. This is your market structure shift. Where is your first fair value gap? This is your first fair value gap. You took your first fair value gap entry. Okay, so you can take your entry over there. It fall. Okay, then market went above again, little bit consolidated. It has taken the buy side liquidity again over here. It has taken your buy side liquidity market structure shift over here. I mean, to this candle, it has given you the market structure shift. Where is your fair value gap? When it is given you the market structure shift over here, just let me mark the market structure shift. This is market structure shift after taking your buy side liquidity over here. That is your buy side liquidity has taken. So where is your fair value gap? There is your fair value gap, right? There is a fair value gap. You can take your short again toward this low, and it has taken the lows again. Now this is the way to take expect the price in Wednesday. Wednesday we expect the expansion. This is called expansion. Market will go low or high. It will continuously will give you a chance to take short or buy. Okay. So it will never do some kind of things that it will come low, then manipulation, low, manipulation. It will never do that. Yeah, sometimes everything is perfect for every time. No, nothing is 100% certain in the trading journey. I always tell that. But most of the time, okay, 70 to 80% of the time, you will expect the expansion like that way. This is very easy to understand and very easy to read. If there is a very nice, if there is a news, big news, then you will expect some kind of sloppiness. That is different thing. I explain everything in my live streaming. So if you didn't join my live streaming yet, please join one day. You will get everything clear. Okay, I'm just teaching the all over the things, how to use the fair value gap, breaker block, then the market narrative, and weekly bias, daily bias, everything to my streaming, because it is nearly impossible to teach you the things through some kind of small videos, 5 to 10 minutes videos. So it is not possible for me. So if you are interested, you can join to my or to say the live. But overall, this is the narrative of Wednesday. If you see manipulation in Tuesday, let me go to the 50 minutes one more time. So if you see the manipulation in Tuesday, you will expect the expansion in Wednesday. It is very natural. Okay, sometimes it won't work, but most of the time you will see this. So if you see the expansion in Tuesday, then you have to be careful rest of the week, because it will be different price action, and that will be very difficult to read the price action. So after manipulation, our expectation is the expansion in Wednesday. I hope guys that is clear to you. I try to make it shorter with the information for all of information. And if you're new, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, share my videos so that new people can know about me and my content. Cheers, brother.